Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Blackberries are a cluster of fruits and appears in black color, and they're very much rich in various types of nutrients and offers vitamins and minerals. Though they appear very smaller in manner and structure, but the goodness it offers to our health is enormous. These small berries are rich in vitamins like C, K, and micronutrients like manganese. And it is also a very good source of dietary fiber, which, when consumed, can improve the health of the digestive system. It can alleviate the constipation, it can improve the digestion, it can also alleviate the indigestion problem in children. And not to be forgotten, these small black fruits are the best soldiers to boost the memory of your brain cells. Eating 2 to 3 blackberries a day can be a good start for you. However, it contains almost 30 micrograms of vitamin C, which is required by the human being, and it satisfies almost half of the daily recommended dose of vitamin C. And because of this vitamin C, our own body gets it very easy in healing the wound, and no matter where it is, and it can also regenerate the skin cells that we have. Whenever you want to improve the quality and the texture of your skin, it is always recommended by doctors and dermatologists to eat vitamin C based foods, and this is one among them. And it can also fight against the free radicals, and we have already discussed regarding the free radicals. These free radicals are free electrons that are being produced constantly in our body due to various reactions that are being taking place every day, every minute. And hence, eating this blackberry can contribute a great source of antioxidant which can curb this oxidative stress. And because of this, cell damages and related issues are treated well. Blackberries are also a great source of iron and can also be consumed for treating the anemia. Even if you're not being suffered from anemia, you can start eating this blackberry so that the hemoglobin content in your blood would be increased, and because of this you would be feeling the energy and oxygen consumption in a proper manner. If you are that one person who generally used to get the common cold, flu and related issues, then we guess that you should start eating this blackberries, and because of this you will be supplied with an enormous amount of vitamin C, which can help you to combat this type of simple cold and flu symptoms. You may have probably come across in your life about the fiber diet content, and when you consume such fiber rich food, it helps you to reduce the cholesterol. And we all know that cholesterol has two different types. One is LDL and another type is HDL, and HDL is very good for us and good for our health, whereas the LDL need to be scavenged and need to be get rid of it. Consuming a high fiber content food can reduce the cholesterol, especially the bad cholesterol, and can also improve the proper bowel movement. The blackberries are also reported to control the blood sugar level by absorbing the sugar that is present freely in your blood system. And regarding the satiating property, that is the food that makes you to feel that you're filled, and for this, these blackberries are a good source, so that if you start eating it, you will be feeling full and will only go behind some of the junk foods, which help you to get a better health and also help you shed some of your pounds from your overweight. Keeping a healthy and proper digestive system is always a good factor for maintaining the good health, and for this, the probiotic bacterium that is present in our colon contributes a lot. And for such bacterium, eating the blackberries can act as a prebiotic which nourishes the probiotic bacteria. Remarkably, these blackberries are rich in vitamin K, which is one of the major factors that clots the blood when you accidentally cut yourself, which would lead to various serious problems if it doesn't clot. And vitamin K is also a major factor that involves in the formation of stronger bones and stronger teeth. The manganese that is present in this blackberry offers a great immune system and boosts the immunity level in the individual, and especially it helps the body to metabolize the carbohydrates, certain types of amino acids and bad cholesterol. To be very specific, the vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese plays a major role in improving the health of an individual, especially when consumed these blackberries at least twice or thrice in a week. As we have discussed earlier, these blackberries are very friendly to the brain cells, and according to the review article that have been published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry, the authors just report that antioxidants that is present in the blackberries plays a major role in improving the neural communication in the human's brain, and hence thereby it increases the mood level and memory power. As we were able to list these number of benefits regarding the consumption of these blackberries, why don't you start consuming if you don't have the habit of eating a blackberry? And some of you might not be getting these blackberry fruits because of the region that you live, but I hope these blackberries are the packets of nutrients that used to be sold in almost all the hypermarkets. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please support the channel by subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. We'll meet you in another video. Thank you.